I don't have money right now. My pocket money flow like water from my hands. What to do?
You have money, but you don't know how to manage it.
You are right, but what to do right now?
Well, you can prepare your own budget.
Okay, but isn't it very big workload of thinking how and what to do with money?
Don't fear, I am here. Let me tell you a secret trick to make your budget in minutes. The trick is budget equals to income minus expense equals to surplus and deficit. Income is money coming in, the source from which we get money. Expense means money going out, and this is of two types. One is fixed expense, means fixed every time, don't be changed. Other is variable, in which the expense is not fixed and from which we can save. After completion, your budget will look like this.
Yes, I will definitely do this.
But wait, this is not the end. Let me tell you a secret also. Budget is not short term, it also helps us to achieve our long term goals as well as to save our money from overspending.
Yes, for sure. We are 21st century students, so we will definitely be prepared